Yeah, so meeting is being recorded now. And all right, so once again, a warm welcome to all of you to session number 10. This is 10th session of our training of this $25 program. This is the 10th session we are doing today. And the topic today, I'm going to discuss today about why $25 why people should join this, right? What are the advantages which you can pitch to your prospects? So why $25 that's the topic I want to start. I want to discuss today. Okay. So the first and foremost, what is advantage of this business $25 is 100% commission. All right, 100% commission and instant commission, like instant payment, right? You do not have to wait 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, 1 month to receive the commission, unlike any other businesses. Like most of the businesses is like that. Either they release the payment fortnight or weekly or monthly. That's how it happens. Here you get instant payment. So when if you get 5 sales, you get 5 payments every day. You got it? So that's the best advantage, because nothing is more motivating than seeing the money in your account, isn't it? So even if you do 1 sales and when you see the money in your account, you get motivated, right? So nothing more motivated than this. So that's the biggest advantage you have of joining $25 number one. Second advantage, 100% commission, which I've already told. 100% commission you get, right? Third advantage is the passive income you get apart from the sales. When you keep doing sales, you keep earning commission. That's your active commission. You get passive commission from your team members, which is roll-ups. That's some second sales roll-up you get up to unlimited level. So those who have not understood this, please understand that. Let's say, for example, you did 10 sales. Okay, you did 10 sales. So your team member, total 10 people are there. Now these 10 people, when they do sales, their second sales will be rolled up to you. Only seconds, only 1 sale. After that, they do thousands of sales. Everything is their own. Everybody need to qualify by giving second sales. All right, at every levels. So suppose you are at gold level, you do the gold level sales. Now you did 10 sales. Now let's assume everybody done number of sales. So for all 10 people, the second sales you will get. That means how many people you get? 10 new people. So your total team size will become 20. 10 your previous team, 1 line. The second line, you got 10 new people. Now those 10 new people which you got, now they will be also doing sales. From their second sales also, you are only going to get. So that's level 3. Now your team size is total 30. 10 previous one, then 10 later you got, then third line, you got another 10, right? Everybody's second sales, you got another 10. Now again, those 10 people, the third line, they get second sales, that also will be rolled up to you, fourth line. So imagine this is unlimited level. So once your team size grows, you will have huge commission, huge passive commission in this business. All right. So that's the beauty of this business. So you have passive income, you have immediate commission, you have 100% commission, you have rolled up. So this is about the business model. Okay. But why people should do this business, or why people should make the payment, or why you should affiliate this product, right? I am more interested in talking about that. Now, many people have this mindset that this is a referral business, or this is like multi-level marketing or chain business, like that, this thing. So it is very important that first you need to understand that this is not referral business. You are not referring anyone. Okay. You are making sales. You are selling online training program, which is digital information product, right? There are thousands of digital information product available, online training. So if somebody make purchase of online training, does that mean it's MLM? No, it is not MLM. It is not chain business. Just because this is a training program which is going to help you in this business doesn't mean that it is MLM. It is pure affiliate marketing, and how I'm going to explain, because it is very important that you people understand the concept better properly, because I keep explaining this again and again, but still I know my team members, still all of you are not clear, because everybody keeps thinking this is going to be, I'm going to refer somebody for the business. This is not referral business. This is not chain business. This is not multi-level marketing. any multi-level marketing chain or referral business, you will see multi-levels of commission. Here, except one single sale, which you roll up to your team member, so your sponsor. After that, any number of sales you do, 100% commission only you keep. You are not going to share that commission with anybody else. Do you think this concept works in multi-level marketing? No, right? Multi-level marketing, when you do sales, you will get a portion of commission, but the large portion of commission will be shared among 10, 15, 20 people above you, right? That's what called multi-level marketing. Here it is not like that. All right. Here you're selling a product. What is the product? You're reselling the product. I will say you are reselling a product. The product is digital information product. Hope you all understand what is digital information. The digital product which gives you knowledge means training product, right? Which gives you knowledge. That's what called digital information. So here it is digital information product which you are trying to sell to others. Now every product will have some target audience, any kind of training. If I go and teach how to use Tally software, you know, right? So my target audience is new budding accountant, right? People who are doing BCom or just completed BCom, right? Those people are my target audience. If I'm teaching Tally, isn't it? If I'm teaching, any software, let's say, for example, any programming language, like I'm teaching C# or C++, any programming language, my online training program is about C# training. Now, who do I need this? People who are want to be software engineer or who want software programming job. Those people are my target audience, right? So every training program will have certain target audience. Same way, this training is about affiliate marketing. All right. Here, it's a training package. What we are selling is a training package. Now, this training package, digital information product, is useful for those people who wants to do affiliate marketing, right? It is to target those people who wants to do online business, affiliate marketing, especially people who are, starting level, right? Those people, it is more useful. If somebody wants to take it just as a business, then anybody can do, because you have multiple levels here, right? You have gold, you have platinum, you have diamond. So people who are already doing affiliate marketing, they will preferably go for platinum, diamond, or even higher plan, that enterprise, elite. We have multiple levels, right? So those people, this is for senior, like people who are already doing. But people who are just like, who doesn't know anything about affiliate marketing, online business, they will start at gold level. Okay. So they will have learning. If somebody wants to do affiliate marketing, somebody wants to do online business, how he will do? He has to learn, right? And nothing comes free of cost. So he has to purchase this online training package. It's a digital information product. Why we should say digital information rather than any other product? Because see, any investment, anybody, the investment in knowledge or investment on self-improvement is the best investment you can do. Anyone, not only you, anyone can do, right? So it is easier to make people invest for their own learning, for their own knowledge, for their own self-improvement. It is easier. And that's why I always, most of my products which I promote, I take it the angle of training. You understand? Most of the product. So it is more a knowledge based, because the knowledge is going to be for the lifetime. All right. So that is why it is very important. So that's why I preferably promote the product which is knowledge based, which is digital information, online training program, those kind of products which I promote most of my affiliate which I do. So that's why I chosen this product also. This product I chosen because this is a training program. The product is training. So you are selling the product. Now, let's say, for example, you sold this product to one person. Who is your target? The ideal customer, you understood, right? People who wants to do online business, right? He has to learn, then only he can do. Now, so he has to learn, he has to go through the target, training program. Now, let's say somebody, let's say one person, let's say you sold the product to me, okay? I am your customer. Now, I purchased this program, I learned it, and this knowledge, I'm going to use it on my other affiliate program, on ClickBank, on Max Bounty, or JVZoo, Warrior Plus. I can use this knowledge to any other program. fine. It's my wish, right? But like any other product, any product you do digital input, digital marketing or online business affiliate, any software, any training program you go, most of the product will have affiliate program. So same way, this program or this product also have the affiliate program, which is 100% commission and instant payment. So it's like a resale opportunity, business opportunity you're getting. Now it is your call whether you want to take this knowledge and don't do this business, you want to do other business. It's your call, right? Same way, it is my call. Now, if I find this, okay, this product is really good and I have huge target audience who can pay because it's a very small amount, right? I can sell it very easily. I can make money. So I see this business opportunity here. Now I want to affiliate this product, means I want to resell this product. Now, when I purchase the product, I anyway got the resale rights for my whole life. So I'm going to sell this product and earn money. You got it? Knowledge I got, fine. Product, I paid for the product, I got the knowledge. Now I want to do this business, so I do it. Now that's where we come in the picture. Now, if anybody purchased $25.1up anywhere else, right? They all get this basic thing, what I told you so far. They get the knowledge, they get the business opportunity, they can do the sales. Finish, period, right? But if they join under our team, the advantage here is that we are going to help them in earning money. Now, just because over and above as a value added, I'm supporting them to make money, I'm training them to make money, you are converting the entire package in one package and you are thinking it is multi-level marketing. We are referring people for business. You got it? If we are not helping them for doing business, it is their call, then you think it is not multi-level marketing. Just because I'm making them to train, like I'm training them and making them to do the business, it is, what do you say, you think that is a multi-level marketing. Now let me explain this in any additional way, okay? Any product you sell, okay, any product, you will have huge competition, any product. And that's called, I hope you all have learned red ocean, blue ocean concept, right? Especially in any online sales or any career, red ocean, blue ocean concept is very popular. And how does it work? If you don't know, let me explain you. Now, any product you choose, let's say you want to sell any product. Now, you are not the first one, right? People who started in a starting, they become slowly, they were a small fish, they ate, and they become big shark. Now, you are choosing a product where already big sharks are available. Now, you are getting into that product. It will be very difficult for you to compete with those big sharks, right? So you are getting into an ocean which is already red. So many big sharks are there. Already they have made the ocean red. Now, if you get into the red ocean, you will not be able to make it profitable. You will not be able to make sales. And that's why it is important that you need to make blue ocean, your own blue ocean, right? So how to make blue ocean? You need to combine this product which you are selling with your own value-added specialized services, specialized value-added services. And that's what we are doing here, right? Rather than just selling $25.1up, we are creating a blue ocean, okay? Our own blue ocean where we don't have to compete anybody with outside, only our group, a small group we have. You are not competing with anybody else. Anybody can purchase $25.1up anywhere. But what they get in our team, it is unique for us. It is only available for our group, which they will not get. This is what you people need to focus. This is what you people need to explain to your, your prospect, right? If these all things you explain them properly, I'm telling you, they will not join any other team. They will join. I know many people from other team also, from different team. I do not want to name people. I know many people from my different team. For explaining the business, they are using my video, which I have given for my team members, right? Somehow it gets leaked, everybody's friend. Definitely people share the link, it goes, right? So though I request you all not to share outside, but I'm just telling you, there are some people whom I know, people have shown me the messages that this is how they have got from this person, right? They are using this thing. And you all, if you're not utilizing, then what should I say? So don't try to sell, if you are only selling $25.1up, if you're pitching $25.1up, you are part of the red ocean. You are part of the red ocean. Be part of our blue ocean where you have huge opportunity. right? Here the package is we are selling our training program along with $25. It's a combo package. So they are not only getting training from $25 one of the digital, so they are getting digital recorded training, plus they are getting online live training, recorded plus live training from us. So we are going to support them in team. We are going to train them. So that this way we are creating our own blue ocean where people need to, you will have, you sell this particular opportunity where we are training them along with $25 one up. So we are not only selling one training program, we are going to help them to use this training program, implement it, and earn money out of it, right? So why you are purchasing this program? You are purchasing this program to earn money, right? Anybody who wants to make money, then only they are purchasing this $25 training program, right? So it is not that we just, you bought from us and after that, thank you very much. We do not believe into that, right? So what we believe into, we will help you, we will support you to implement that and earn money. You got it? And that's why all this training is all about, right? So be part of the blue ocean and put this as this thing. This is as bonus. Products get sold because of the bonus. All right. Over and above, each one of you also can think of adding your own bonuses, right? Don't depend only on my training. Don't depend on 25. Now see, once we are, apart from $25, when we are selling our own training program, we are part of blue ocean, right? Now within this blue ocean, you can create your own additional values, right? What additional value you can do? You can make something you add value which is not free available, which should not be free available, right? Purchase something, something you give him landing page or some service or some training program which is not free available. Keep that in mind. That is one thing you have to keep in mind. It should be paid things which he has to spend money somewhere or which can help him in this business. So it should be related to this business. Okay. Don't give him, okay, you purchase from my end, then I will give you 200 rupees Amazon voucher. No, don't do like that. Anything, any package which is value added to this business, it should be related to this business. Add that as a bonus. Okay. Now that will be super unique for you, right? It is one unique. We have our own training, plus you're making super unique, which only you will have. Rest everybody. So create something like that, okay, which you can add additional value to your team members, to your leads, to your prospects, okay? And always work closely with your team member, make them to achieve this, because teaching is the best way to grow in this kind of business. Got it? So hope I have explained why people should join $25 and why people should join our team and what should be their strategy. Little bit I've touched a strategy also. So if any question, I'm happy to take it. So now the floor is open for question and answer session. If you have any question, just type Q like this, and I will unmute your mic and address your queries. Just type Q and I will address your, I will unmute your mic and address your query. So Saugat Singh. Yes, I have unmuted you. Please ask your question.
Okay, now I have joined $25 1up from yesterday. Should I start from today or I can start from after 2 weeks?
Because, why 2 weeks? You can, the moment you join, you can start immediately. Why 2 weeks?
But because our festival is coming, our biggest festival in Nepal, Dasai, which is called.
Okay.
And this time we are very busy.
So then it is, see, so this is your specific concern, right? This is your own situation. So it has nothing to do with the business, right? So when you are free, you will start your business. That's your wish.
We will not be expired or something else like that.
There is no expiry here. There is no expiry
here. So we can start whenever we want.
Yeah, that is the advantage. Now I tell you one more thing. Okay, good that you asked this question and it remains. See here, there is no expiry. Okay, and you can start anytime. That's the thing. Now this is the biggest advantage you have. And this is the biggest disadvantage you have. Biggest disadvantage.
Okay.
I'm part of many other business also. Like I promote a couple of other programs also. There, the payment is monthly. You pay for 1 month. Every month you have to pay. You got it? It's
Yes,
not
yes.
one-time payment like this business. Now there, what happens? The moment people join, now they are on the edge from the next moment because they have only 30 days time. If they don't do business, their account will get expired, right?
Yes.
So they're on the edge. So here, since it is only one-time payment, just 1 week before I tell you, I sent message to my own direct team members. More than 20 people I sent messages. What happened, bro?
Okay.
There is no update from you. Are you doing the business? I sent to 20 people. You got it?
Okay.
Out of 20, 17 people responded me that they have not even started the work yet. I'm telling you, I sent messages to those people who have already completed more than 2 weeks of joining this business.
Okay.
Some reason they're giving. I'm not saying they are making excuse. Okay. Please do
Okay.
not mistake.
Okay.
But they're
Yes,
giving some reasons, right? Now, if the same thing, if they would have paid money monthly, I'm telling you, whatever the reason, they would have worked. So it's a part of commitment, right? It's just 2 hours a day, which we need to do. I understand your festival. I'm not pinpointing you. I'm just saying this because we can do tomorrow. We can do tomorrow, again tomorrow. We are tend to get lazy. We are tend to get lazy. And that's what I'm seeing in this team. Believe it or not, you have joined only yesterday. I'm not talking about you, but I'm saying that I'm seeing this in this particular group, that more than 50% people are actually lazy. They are doing what they should do in 1 day. They are doing in 1 week what they should do the work, which I'm observing that. So I want everyone, this is an opportunity for me to tell everyone that please sit on the edge. This is your business. Unless you have that commitment that I have to earn today, you're not going to earn. So let's work it, bring the energy and work. I'm telling you, this is one of the best platform you have to make. I will say best and one of the easiest way to make money. There are many platform, I will say it's tougher. This is one of the easiest platform you have to make money. And if you are thinking that you can't make money in this platform, then online business is going to be very difficult for you, because this is a balanced product. It is not too less price also. There are business where you will get $5 business also, $10 business also. But in those business, no earning potential is very less. You don't have huge earning potential. Here you have huge earning potential. So $25 is not a big amount. It's a very small amount, but you have huge earning potential. So it's a very balanced business plan. So let's focus everyone and bring it on. I'm telling you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let me mute. Yeah. So the next question is from next queue is from Play. I don't know the name of Play, but let me play. Play. Okay. Yes. I have unmuted you. The name given is Play. Can you please tell me your name first?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. What's your name?
Sir, this is Rahul Agarwal here. And
Rahul Agarwal, how are you?
I'm very fine. Thank you.
Haan, boliye.
I have joined the business, I think 1 week back.
Yeah.
So I'm not able to perform because I don't have got the proper training, or I have not got benefited from your training, like speech you gave yesterday.
You have not. No, you have not got the benefit in the sense you have not. Have you attended my training first?
Yeah,
have you got my? Which training you attended? Have you enrolled for my course, training course?
No, I am not enrolled, but I attended your speech that was on $25.1up. So
no, yes, that is Monday webinar you're talking about.
Yeah,
that is sales webinar. Your name, you said Rahul Agarwal.
Yes.
Have you sent me a message to get the coupon for my training course? Who is your sponsor?
It's Vinay Koraganti, and I am working with the name of my wife, that is Suvida Agarwal.
What is the name? Vida.
Suvida, Suvidha.
Okay. So I have not got any messages to send you the coupon code. The first thing, I don't know how your sponsor have not guided you this. The first thing you have to do is you have to enroll for my course, because this is, I'm giving the training what I'm giving today. This is, I'm assuming that everybody has attended my basic training. So this is like advanced, what I'm talking today. First, you have to understand the basic training. You have to enroll for my course. Okay.
Okay.
The link
Okay.
you have to get it. I have given. Are you added in my Facebook group? That our Mission 100 Facebook group. Are you already added there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So there, if you go in announcement, the first post in announcement is about the link for the training course. It is link is given there. Okay. You have to send message, private message to me,
Okay.
asking for the coupon code, because when you go for the course, it will ask you $99. So you have to take the coupon code from me, which will give you 100% discount. So once you get that 100% discount without any cost, you can enroll for my course. You have to attend those sessions which are uploaded there. Okay.
Okay.
The first session, first you have to attend the first session. Each session will be around close to 1 hour. Okay. You have to attend first session, the very first session, and then understand the business, follow those steps and start working. With the first session itself, start working, start implementing, and then every day watch one session every day. You got it? So this, whatever this, like every week which I'm doing training, this every week I'm uploading there. For the last couple of weeks it is not uploaded. I will do it. It's my mistake. I will upload it, but old sessions are uploaded. And the very first session is very important, because that's where I've taught a step-by-step process that how you have to do this business. So this is our 10th session. So every session I'm supposed to upload there so that the new people can watch that. Okay. So please attend my first session. After that, every day attend one session. Then only you will understand how to do this business. Then only you can get the benefit. Without attending training, you cannot do. Hope I have answered your question. Thank you.
No, my question is right there. Hello.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you hear
yeah.
me? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
I want to know how can I connect this $25 one up with my Facebook account?
How to connect in the sense? I did not get you. How will you connect? I'm not getting you.
How to approach people in different groups?
So that
And
is, sir, that is why I told you have to attend the training. You are
okay.
asking the same question which I have explained in 4 to 5 different sessions.
Okay.
Okay. So if you attend the training, then only you will understand, because this is not a 1-minute job, right? I will tell you this. If I can explain training in 5 minutes, then everybody would have become millionaire. Hope you understand that, right? You have to invest time in learning, right? So I have given the training that how to use Facebook to sell this product and earn money. How to earn $1,000 in 30 days. I have given a step-by-step process. So please attend the training. You yourself will learn that how to do that. What the question you're asking. That's why I told you to please attend the training first. Hope I've answered your question.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, next is again some other name is given. I don't know really what is the okay. Anyway, let me unmute. Yeah, somebody's long name 11150 this thing. I've unmuted you. Please ask your question. Yeah, can you ask your question, please? Okay, Manojit Pal. Yes, Manojit Pal, you can ask your question.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you very much.
Sir, I have watched your previous sessions and following your words, I have shared many posts to many groups, and I have also I've get not I wouldn't say that much, but a bit of traffic again in past few days. But when the topic comes into spending money, like when people get to know that they have to invest, they step back. So what can we do on that? Like until the point that they doesn't get to know that they have to invest, they show their interest. And then when they get to know that they have to invest money, many of them stepped back.
So see, there are two things. Okay. Most of the people will definitely step back. And that's why most of the people are not success in this world. So that you have to make your mindset. Everybody want to earn money, but not everybody actually do that. Only 5 to 6% people actually earn money. You understand? So first thing, you have to be prepared that most of the people will definitely step back. That's number one. You got it? You have to look for new people. Still, I will say our pool, the target pool is so large that even if most of the people step back, you will still find many people who understand the business means they have to invest, and they will invest. You will still find people like you did. You are one among them, right? So what problem you are facing, everybody faces. And that is why most of the people are not success, right? Everybody wants to earn money. That is only called wish. You understand? Everybody
Yes,
wish to earn money, but not everybody actually do. So that is, it is a fact. Okay. We have to accept that. Second thing, there should be also problem in the way you are presenting, right? How you are explaining, right? That there should be this thing. So it is very important to make them to understand that there is no business in the world which can be done without any payment, without any cost, without any investment. There is no business in the world. So it is very important that you understand. And if you do not understand that, then you definitely not my target audience, right? So if that can see what happened, just because they were telling you I'm interested, doesn't mean that they were interested in business. You are saying that before they come to know about the money, they were showing interest. Actually, they were not showing interest in this business. They were just showing interest in something which comes free of cost. Now, see, in last 2.5 years, close to 2.5 years, I'm doing this business. There are more than 100 to 150 training courses, blogs, ebooks I have downloaded, which I was getting free of cost. Somebody was giving free, and I taken that, but I never got time to watch that. You got it? But I told them I'm interested. That's why they given me, but I didn't watch that. That means I was not interested. People are tend to say yes for everything which comes free of cost. You got it? So
yes,
just because they're saying you they're interested doesn't mean they're really interested, right? So it is very important that in starting itself, you make your conversation in such a way that you check their real interest level, whether the person really understands the business. So you you tell that this is not going to be job. Are you really interested in business? This is going to be business. Business requires multiple things, and three most important things, right? Your time. You need to give couple of hours time. That is number one. Second thing, commitment. You need to work it seriously if you are really serious. Okay. You should have that business mindset. Okay. And the third thing is investment. There is no business in the world which can be done free of cost, right? But here the advantage is that it is very, very little investment and the support, very, very high earning potential. So if you understand the basic of the business, I'm here to explain you the business, and we will guide you. We will teach you a step-by-step process that how you can, we will make sure that you are earning money and this business will be successful. Check their interest level a little bit. Find the people who are really serious and invest your time only on that. All right.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So. So next we have Geeta Prasanna. Please do not send any message to me in private, only public. Yeah, everyone. People are interested but not interested to pay. How to convince them? I have just answered this question, Geeta. So I think the same question was asked by Manojit also. So I think this question is answered. Then next we have Lenovo. So let me see what is the name. It's better, see everyone, when you people attend the webinar, when you go to Zoom, you can change your profile name. Please edit your profile name and put your name rather than keeping this pizza box, Juhu, Lenovo. This is very difficult, right? Play. It's better to have your own name. Yes, Lenovo, I have unmuted you. Can you please tell your name? Lenovo, no, you're not there. Okay, I move next. So please add me to Mission 100 group. I'm not its member. So it is not my job to add you in the team. My job is only to approve you. Please make your leader, your sponsor to add you. Your sponsor should add you, because I don't know you. How can I add? How can I add? So you have to make your sponsor to add, and then only I can approve. But first step, a sponsor has to add. Second step, you have to accept the notification. Then third step comes to me, approval. So first you people do your steps, then only it will come to me. Shamsher Singh, good evening, sir. I have sent the request for coupon code. Please provide, sir, to start the trading. Thank you. I have created website and Facebook page for promoting my business. Okay, Shamsher Singh, let me check. Okay, yeah, I have got your message yesterday night. You have sent that also. It is there in the request. It's there in the pending, as you can see here. I'm not sure whether you can see. That's why I could not see your message. It's there in the request. I will send it by tonight. Manojit, okay. After that, Srikant Sharma. I'm new to this business. Is this a question? I'm there, Manojit. I'm there. Next, please check. Please do not do any chatting over here. Sir, I have sent you personally to send me the coupon code. Lenovo, what's your name? I don't even know your name. How will I know whether you have sent the message or whom to respond? Srikant Sharma, how to increase sales? I hope engineering student will show some interest in the business. Why engineering student? Why are you saying like that? I think anybody who is interested in doing business will be showing the interest, correct? Who is really interested in doing online business, who understand the basic of the business, and who are serious about earning money online, they will be interested. There is no segment that engineering student will be there. Anybody can do that. I don't believe into coming to this conclusion that only engineering will be interested. Anshul, is it necessary to talk to your prospect on a call? It's better, not necessary. All right, it's not mandatory. Okay, any more question? Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav, I've unmuted you. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Very much. Please tell me.
Yeah, sir. The only thing I am facing right now, like the link, even I'm in platinum like product, but I can't see that the watch video to link. The
Okay. Why you're not able to see? Can you just send me your user ID password right now? I will just check up now.
Yeah, sure.
Send in private message in Messenger. In Messenger,
Okay,
send me your user ID. I'm just opening the.
All right.
Yeah, I'm waiting for your message.
Sir, only password or email or both?
Login ID and password. Then only I can log into your account. No? I want to log into your account. So everybody has seen the Webhub password. It is a star, star, star. Please don't use it, okay? I go to your funnel page. have two landing page. I don't know how. Two landing page. CP3, CP6, CP5. So all video funnels are not there. Video 1, video 2. Okay, but anyway, you have two landing page funnel. I don't know. Normally we get only one landing page funnel, and both the landing page funnel is editable. So you can edit the video in this itself. I think this is landing page actually better. You are lucky that you have two funnel actually, and this is better. Why it's better? I tell you. See, let me show you this. Here you get social proof also. If you are creating our own video funnel, you will not get the social proof. Now you see here, you are getting this social proof. Now this add lot of values, okay? And this video is editable. So you can go to this, click on this. So you can see here this pencil. You can click on this pencil. You can click on this pencil, any one, okay? You have two landing page. So one you use it. Huh?
Actually, I tried right now to edit like in the morning, but it's not like editable. Can you show me just in 1 or 2 minutes, like how I can do this?
Okay, so I'm going this and then I'm putting this editable.
Okay.
So this I'm editing. Yeah, this is their editable. So here this video alone, only video you can edit, nothing else. Only video you can change, nothing else. Okay. So this will be as it is. Only this video you can change. So here you have this video changing, pencil, another pencil you get. And now you can upload the video. A second, it will come. Yeah. So here you can select YouTube. Okay.
So how do you get this? Actually, I'm not getting this, that
code
space.
Oh, here I've logged into your account only. This is your account. You have to go a little down. See, you will see here it's not there. You go a little down, you see here. Video embedded code. Video embedded code. Okay.
I was looking for this only. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
So this video embedded code you'll get. Any one landing page, you change it. It is better actually. Landing page, you have social proof also. Okay. And both landing page you check up after in both. So you have two landing page, right? Both are editable. Check, make sure that the landing page which after video, there will become no join $25 business. If you click that, it should go to your joining page. So that funnel only you should change.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
all right.
Sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, Ashok Kumar sir, I want to say my English is poor, so please understand me, require some Hindi if possible. So I understand you can do this business very well in Hindi itself in India, that is number one. और मेरा जो ट्रेनिंग वीडियो है बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में है. अब इतना पॉसिबल नहीं कि हर सेशन को हम हिंदी में करें. आप उस वीडियो को अगर 2-3 बार सुनिएगा तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. जहां तक मेरा कि आपको समझ तो आ ही जाता होगा, बोलने में हो सकता है आपको तब ये हो. तो ट्राई कीजिए. देखिए ये सब बिजनेस एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होता है आपको कि अपने कंफर्ट लेवल से बाहर आइए. आप इंग्लिश में ट्राई कीजिए, राइट. तभी आप उसको वीडियो, जो मेरा जो वीडियो है ना, स्पेशली जो पहला सेशन है, उसको आप 2 बार देखिए, 3 बार देखिए. अगर आप अपने हमेशा से डिनायबल मोड में रहिएगा तो आप कभी सीखिएगा नहीं. हम नहीं बोल रहे कि आप हिंदी में नहीं करना चाहिए था, इंग्लिश बहुत बड़ा लैंग्वेज है, हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. लेकिन इंग्लिश भी जरूरी होता है, राइट. इंग्लिश भी अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज है. तो बिजनेस में आपको तो इट्स बेटर कि आप अपने कंफर्ट लेवल से बाहर आइए और ट्राई कीजिए. जितना आप इंग्लिश, ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होगा आपको इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए भी. लेकिन ट्राई करेंगे, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट एक प्लान करते हैं. लेट्स हैव नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल कीप इन हिंदी इटसेल्फ. सो नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे वी विल डू हिंदी ट्रेनिंग एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट सेल्स प्रोसेस. सेल्स प्रोसेस हम लोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे हिंदी में. ओके. सो लेट्स मेक एवरीबॉडी इन हिंदी ऑन नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे एंड कमिंग. ओके. Okay, so yeah, coming session we will do in Hindi. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, anybody? Nasir Mullah. can you provide me recorded Hindi webinar video? So which Hindi webinar video you're talking about? We do webinar only for the platinum member. Only for the platinum member we do webinars. So not for the gold members. Are you talking about this training? Lenovo, you are still saying same thing. You haven't sent me coupon code. Mr. Lenovo, I do not know your name. How would I know who are you? Please tell your name first. Okay, Khushbakht Tawan. 1 second. Khush. I have not got any message from you. So how do you want me to send you the coupon code? I have not got any message from you. Please send me private message in Messenger to get the coupon. Thank you. Srikant Sharma, I have joined yesterday. I want coupon code, sir. Also, please accept my friend request in Facebook. See, my friend request, it is difficult because now I'm already at the limit of that 5,000. One time I already touched 10, 12. I have deleted. I have unfriend few people so that I can have 10, 12 window. If something very urgent, I have to add somebody. So please excuse me for that. I'm really sorry. My 5,000 limit is over. So I will not be able to accept your request, but once you send me the request, it is always there in the following. So you can definitely, my profile is anyway public. So you can see all my updates and you can contact me in Messenger. So I'm sorry, I will not be able to accept you in friend in Facebook because it's already limit is over. Facebook is not allowing me to go beyond 5,000. So if you go to my profile, it's already 585 something, 10, 12, I have just unfriend people so that I need to keep that window available for me. Okay. So that is the thing. Coupon code, please send me private message. If you have already sent, you will get it. Thank you. Shamsher Singh, at any time, or what would be the additional ways to earn more money becoming platinum? If you become platinum, see, if you want to do this business properly, platinum is the basic, I would say. Gold is only for like just to test. It is a trial. Like suppose any product, they give you small trial, right? So in less cost, it is a trial. If you are really serious about earning, okay, this is a training program. This is not a sales webinar. So I should not sound like a sales over here, but I just want to guide you because platinum is the basic. Or okay. And let me just list out a few advantages why you should be at platinum. Apart from the basic, see, in this program, you have gold level, then you have platinum, then you have diamond, then you have enterprise, and then you have elite, right? From $25 to $1,000. Now it is obvious that person who's paying $1,000 will get much advanced training and resources, right? People who are buying at $25, they're getting very basic. Clear? That is obvious, right? When you go to platinum, you get a very beautiful training module. So 3 modules. Okay, it's called as Facebook strategy, YouTube strategy, and Instagram strategy. Okay, 3 modules you get. Each of these modules have 20 videos. That means you get 60 additional videos, which teaches you how to do affiliate marketing using Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. 20 each videos you have. And this training it's a knowledge is for any affiliate, not only for this product. You got it? So that's additional training you get. Plus you get a lot of additional advantages in funnels, resources, the funnels and all you get. Plus you have a lot of editing rights, like you can edit your dashboard videos and many things are there that additional you get. These are like product wise. Okay. These are the product wise advantages. Now, business wise advantage, what you get, we do live webinar every weekly once. We do Wednesday, where it is only for the platinum member, where the platinum member can invite their leads to come and attend the webinar, and I give the presentation. And there in that webinar, I present platinum. I don't present gold. Okay. If they buy gold, it's secondary, but I pitch platinum. So that is another advantage you get. When somebody attends webinar, they see the community, then your selling becomes easier, right? And every webinar we are getting sales, team members are getting sales. So that's second. Third advantage is that apart from the general Mission 100 Facebook, which we have, we also have an exclusive messenger group for platinum member alone. So where your queries and all, you get exclusive support. That is third. Fourth advantage is your mindset. Okay, this is the most important thing, your mindset. The time what you invest is same whether it is gold or it is platinum. It is the same time. You're not going to work anything extra. But your mindset change. You start thinking from $25 to $100, $125. You understand? Now, out of 10 sales, even if you get 2 sales at platinum, think the income. The value of your time investment and your effort investment, in return, you get much higher, right? Because everybody, you first thinking comes platinum, right? So that is the way to earn money, because $25 is a small ticket. When you earn $100 per sale, that's where you earn $100, $125 you earn big in this business, right? So those who have finished taking the trial, it's better. Even if you have got 1 sales, if you got the belief in this business that, okay, money comes, really comes. And if we repeat this, we will get more. It's as quickly as possible. You should go to platinum. All right. Thank you. Sir, I've joined 4 to 5 groups. Don't understand the posting of ads. Do we have sale only on the training program? The product is only training program only. This is the training program product only, right? Okay. Any other question? Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Time up. So thanks for the session. We close it here. Thank you, everyone. Those who have not got the coupon code, please send me the message. Even if you have sent, just send one hi message again so that it comes to me on top. Maybe I would have missed it. I will send it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks very much.